In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to change someone's skin color in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is select the layer. Now go over here and go over to the quick selection tool. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, not that small. Now you want to go over the skin with this and select all the skin. Here you go. And now you can go to this minus bit to remove any bits that aren't the skin. Hair and eyes and eyebrows. I'm going to leave the lips in because I'm not too bothered. So now what I want to do is right click and layer via copy. Now here you can see they've got just a face here and we've got the other features here. So we want to go onto here. We want to turn this off for a second so we can just focus on this. Now I'm going to grab this selection tool again. I'm going to make it big. And I'm going to select the whole thing we've just got so the whole thing is selected. Now you want to go down to here, go to solid color. Now you can pick what color you want the skin. I'm going to try and turn this weird color here. Now go here, go on to color, and boom. You can see that I've turned her blue. Now you can spend a bit more time doing this, make sure you got it all right, and you can even fade the edges around to make it look much better. But this is just a brief example of how you can do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked.